Just a quick video on comments that were made by Nick Antonoff, who is, I believe he's the developer of the QDI app. And I actually have seen Nick in some presentation, and this guy knows his stuff extremely well. So that's what I will take his comment to the bank, as they say here in America. So he has a couple of objections or comments or modifications to the stuff that our friend Sharkar did. So number one is on the type of metric that Sharkar selected. And I post, as you can see here in the box folder where the stuff from Sharkar is, I also put the response from Nick, this document in here. He's basically saying that the metric that he's selecting for the measurement of the CPU utilization is not correct. And you can read the details, but he puts the right one. In a similar way, and also I've seen the way that Nick uses AQL, and he's a master on that. He has a better way of using the AQL search that Sharkar proposed, and he improved that one in here. He also has an important comment on this utilization, right? That we can actually see it here. And the final comment that he said that, well, QDI is not designed to send alerts, to fire offenses, and therefore can send email. And I understand the point, but that's what is good about what Sharkar did, that gives that flexibility. Again, the comments are there in case that you want to use Sharkar content. I think that you are going to be better served by looking at Nick Antonoff comments, and thank you, Nick, for writing to me about those things that will make what Sharkar did more precise and more useful.